Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use this body is design here and use a CATIA software and how to this body is design here. And this body is some use of parts of a globe body is design, and globe body is a design all parts is one by one is design here, and a little a beautiful parts is design, and some practice a beginner a student is design here. And this is a very easily explain this available globe bodies in this tutorial. And you go to playlist and search a globe body, and this all parts is design here, and this globe body is assemble, and this is a simple and little and beautiful parts is design here. Okay. Okay, and this body is how to design easily. Okay, at first click this body is a single, and this is a multi-section view is you can see here, and this is a isometric view is okay. This is a isometric view is you can see here on the screen, and this body is a easily design here. And okay, let's start. All dimension is clearly learn here. Okay. Okay. Okay, at first select a mechanical design and use a parts and click OK. And some use this YZ plane. Okay, at first click a YZ plane and direct a YZ plane is click here, and this is a click and use this position sketch is click here. Okay, this is a okay. Okay, okay, at first draw a this profile, and some use a okay. This is a correct. Okay, this is a okay. All is a so okay. This profile is drawing here, and all is a relation is vertical and horizontal mention here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct. All is a okay. This is a correct. All is perfect, and some use this use a trim command is use and select this line, and this line is a okay. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, some mention a constraint and dimension is correct, and at first select this line, and this line is click here this is a 12. Okay, and again select this line, and this line is a 12. Okay, this is a perfect. This is a correct. And again select this line, and this line is also a this is a 30. This is a 36 is a correct. Okay, all is perfect. And this line and select this okay. Mention a dimension is 90 millimeter, and all dimension is millimeter is correct. And select this and this line is a distance between select a 78 millimeter is correct. Okay, and again select this line, and this line is a okay. Okay, some line is this is a delete here, and again select this line and select this. Okay, this is a point is a correct. And this dimension is 76 millimeter is also correct. And again select this line and select this point, and distance is this is a 64.5 is correct. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect and some angle is a this line and this line is a some angle is a this is a 45 is correct. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and distance is a this distance is a right click and is a vertical measure direction is user, and this is a 5 is correct. Okay, 5 is correct. Okay, and some easily visible and all is looking perfect and all dimension is a okay, this is a correct. Okay, all dimension is looking perfect and this is a all is correct. Okay, this is a better is looking here and some use a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay. Okay guys, this all body is green color means all body is fully defined and all dimension is a right because all is a fully defined and select a draw a axis because this axis is a this body is revolution about this axis. Okay, and all is perfect and click exit and click this shaft command is a use and this body is revolution about this axis and all is a correct and preview is showing here and this is a correct. Okay, all is looking better and this face is click here and again select this position sketch draw a click. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, this face is click here and this sweep and reverse vertical is also better and some use this center created center rectangle is drawing here and click OK. This center rectangle is a correct and some use this dimension is a 12, this is a 14 is better. Okay, and again select this is a again a 14 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect and some use this is a this use this quick trim is double click here and all portion is delete here and this is a delete. Okay, this is a correct and exit and okay, exit. Some use a pocket command is used here and this is a 12 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, all is looking so nice here and this is a hide because this body is looking perfect and also this is a hide. Okay, this is a hide because this body is looking perfect and point is also hide. Okay, this is a correct and some use a okay, some use material because at first click this shading with material, click here. Okay, and some material is a okay steel. Okay, click here and this click is right click and you going to property and select this is a reflectivity is very high and click this and this meeting room is color is correct and this is a also golden color is looking perfect. Okay, this body is so nice here, and this is isometric view is also mentioned here, and this is a perfect and looking better. Okay, okay, this is a correct and perfect. Okay, this is also looking perfect. Okay, okay, this is looking perfect. Okay, okay, guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. And guys, all project is learn here one by one is complete here. And okay, okay guys, thank you.